Life cycle of sockeye salmon. The life cycle of sockeye salmon begins when the adults return from the sea to the Fulton River and its two spawning channels in August and September. A fence installed across the mouth of the river directs the sockeye into each channel. To avoid overcrowding, a system of diversion and bypass gates is used to regulate the number of fish that spawn in each section or leg of the channel. After choosing a suitable location, each female sockeye scoops out a cavity or nest in the gravel by using her lower body and tail. When this cavity is about 15 to 20 centimeters deep, the female releases some of her eggs into this nest. These are fertilized immediately by a male before the eggs settle into the spaces of the gravel and are covered up by the female. Each female digs 3 or 4 nests, collectively called a redd, until she has spawned all of her eggs. Several days after spawning, both the male and female die and their carcasses are flushed naturally into the Babine Lake. The decomposition of these carcasses is an important part of the sockeye life cycle since it releases nutrients into the lake for the growth of microscopic plant cells. These plant cells are eaten by microscopic animals called zooplankton, which in turn are eaten by the juvenile sockeye. Hidden in the gravel bed where they are safe from most predators, the eggs develop slowly during the winter months. A controlled flow of clean water ensures that the eggs receive enough dissolved oxygen for proper development. Water temperature can also be regulated to ensure the eggs do not freeze in winter. In spring, the eggs hatch into alevins, which possess a large yolk sac. This yolk sac contains all the nutrients and minerals the alevin requires for its continued growth and development in the gravel bed. When this food supply is nearly used up, the alevins are called fry and leave the gravel bed in April and May. Within a day or two, these sockeye fry move. Find out what's going on.
Grandma,
Fry
Daniel
move.
and Alan were sitting near there looking at the fish and Daniel fell in.
Oh, great.
Yeah! We told him not to go!
Within a day or two, these sockeye fry move downstream into Babine Lake where they feed and grow for 1 or 2 years. The following spring, the juvenile sockeye, now called smolts, migrate out of Babine Lake and down the Skeena River to the sea. After feeding at sea for 2 or 3 years, the mature sockeye leave the ocean as adults at 4 or 5 years of age. Some precocious males called jacks return as 3-year-old fish. After returning to the Fulton River and its 2 spawning channels, the sockeye salmon repeat the life cycle.